Dear students, let's discuss about networking. What is networking? So networking is the interconnection of millions of computers across the globe. For example, these are the computers. So there is an interconnection between the computers across the globe. We call it networking. And dear students, each computer, this one or this one or this one or this one, we call it as a node or workstation. Each computer in a networking, we call it node as node or workstation. Right? Dear students, to perform the communication between the computers across the globe or across the world, we need two kind of addresses. Or we can also say we require two kind of addresses in networking or to perform the communication effectively. So first one is physical address. Second one is logical address. So let's discuss one by one physical address and logical address. So first is physical address. Dear students, there are other names too of physical addresses. For example, MAC address, we also call it MAC address. MAC address means media access control address, or NIC, or NIC address, or LAN card address, or Ethernet address. MAC means media access control address. NIC means network interface card address. LAN card, local area network card address. Ethernet address. Dear students, there are some properties of these physical addresses. First one, it is of 48 bits. The size of physical address is 48 bits. It is represented in 6 groups. Two hexadecimal digits in each group. For example, if I talk about a physical address, 00 colon, it is separated by either by colon or hyphen. A colon, AC colon, FF 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 colon, BC colon 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 means we can also write same AA. In this way it is represented. Next thing about physical addresses, we all are knowing very well different manufacturers manufacture different kind of computers. So it's a possibility that MAC address can be same, right? It can be same or different. Remember, it is provided by the manufacturer, right? And last thing is it identifies a device over a network. Okay, it identifies the device or computer. Identify the device or computer. We call it device or computer, right? So these were the main points of MAC address or physical address. And dear students, the physical address is same as our residence address, as we all are having. Okay, so let's discuss the next logical address. So next is logical address. Dear students, logical address is the important address, main address to perform the communication over the network, right? Let's see. Dear students, we also call it IP address. IP address means Internet Protocol Address. Actually, communication is done over the network by the IP address, right? And two kind of IP addresses we use. First, IPv4. V4 means version 4. The size of IPv4 is 32 bits. Or we can call it IPv4. The address is of 32 bits. While in IPv6 means IP Internet Protocol version 6, we are having 128 bits address, right? So next is over the network the communication is done by the help of IP addresses. Communication is done by it over the network.